Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The US new home sales will be released at 14 GMT. The French consumer confidence at 6:45 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 6 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The S&P 500 struggled for direction after the US House of Representatives passed President Donald Trump's tax and spending bill, expected to burden the federal government with trillions of dollars in extra debt by a razor-thin margin. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has seen its largest inflow in the past 2 weeks as traders allocate to US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to scoop up the rocketing cryptocurrency. IBIT's May the 21st net inflows hit $530.6 million. The US dollar advanced after 3 days of losses as the House of Representatives narrowly passed President Donald Trump's bill for huge tax and spending cuts, even as the euro stumbled after data painted a bleak economic picture for the eurozone.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.8% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.2% in the last session, after a 1.5% intra-session dip. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.